Hey, what's up guys, this is Shaun and welcome to my channel. Okay, let's learn together. Today we want to discuss about data entry complete course. So this is very important for beginner freelancer who is really want to know about data entry. This is complete course, so if you want to learn about data entry and lead generation, obviously this tutorial only for you. So first of all, we want to discuss about what is data entry. Data entry is the inputting of data or information into a computer using input devices such as a keyboard, scanner, disk, and voice. So I know you know about data entry, and this is very basic thing. So if you want to start your freelance career with data entry, yes, you can. So here is the list of data entry work example like online data entry, offline data entry, web research, Excel data entry, admin support work, office assistant, data mining, data collections, virtual assistant, skip tracing, manual typing, copy paste work, MS Excel or Word spreadsheet, and the type of data entry projects, formatting of Excel of Word documents, PDF conversions, PDF to Excel, PDF to Word, image to Word or Excel, scan paste to Excel, Word, manually typing work to Excel or Word document, and Microsoft Office related tasks and email handling. So this is the very basic things, and this is the very basic list for you. I think if you want to learn more about this, obviously please follow this channel and subscribe this channel, because I want to explain everything, and I want to create all the tutorial about data entry full course, like online data entry, offline data entry, and everything. So please subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Okay, so we want to discuss about more. Which skill need for data entry work? Need basic knowledge about computer and internet. Yes, this is the very basic things if you want to start your data entry career as a freelancer or something like that. So you need to start, you must have to know about basic knowledge about computer and internet. This is very important. Also need basic knowledge about Microsoft Office and Excel. Need basic knowledge about Google search, because this is very important when you will collect some lead from your Google or other search engine. Definitely you should search on Google, and you know about how to search Google. So how much we can earn from data entry, and where we want to start work, and how can we earn from online using our data entry skills. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the marketplace where we can start our selling our service like data entry, website design, development, and lot of things. So right now we are talking about data entry. So we want to sell, we want to check how many people work here and how much they earn daily, monthly, or weekly. So this is very important. So first of all, I want to search on the Fiverr marketplace and search area data entry, and we want to see how many people work here, and how they are earning per month. Okay, so first of all, here is the 69,000 and plus services available on Fiverr marketplace, and I want to check some profile here. The first of all, I want to open this one and also this one and check out how much they earn. The basic package is 5 and the standard package is 35, and she already, I think she already completed a lot of project, but here is the review 77 and 2 orders in queue. So I want to check it out. Another profile is here, and this person completed data entry work minimum, here the review 322, but he completed a lot of things. I want to check out the complete things. So I want to go here and I want to check the total review and 352, but I think he has already completed minimum 500 plus project, because most of the clients can't give you the rating. So this is the very important, and we want to calculate our this earning. So first of all, we want to open our calculator, and then we want to calculate the journey. So here is the option, and he have completed minimum 500 projects, and the standard rate is 20. So we want to calculate this so here is this, and 500 into 20, so this is $10,000 he has already earned. So this is very very important for a data entry professional, because if you want to earn money easily, data entry is the best option for you, I think. So please, there is a lot of opportunity for you, and if you learn start to end data entry, you should subscribe the channel and stay with this channel, because I want to publish all the tutorial for beginner to advanced. Okay, so I want to jump another market. Here is Upwork, and I want to check the opportunity for data entry work. Okay, data entry. So I want to search with these keywords data entry, and we already we have seen that there is a lot of people selling their service as a data entry and lead generation expert. So they earned already 40K dollar and 70K dollar. There are lots of opportunity, I think, if you want to start your career as a data entry expert or lead generation expert. So this is the very basic tutorial for you, and this is the first tutorial for you. And if you want to next tutorial, and if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. I'm ready to answer your question within 24 hours. So thank you so much.